Good day, students! Welcome again to our new topic for today, which is Let's Learn Conversion of Units, and I am your teacher for today, Teacher Teen. I know every one of you is all excited, so let's get started. So let's start first with the meaning of conversion of units. Conversion of units is defined as the conversion between different units of measurement for the same quantity, typically through multiplicative conversion factors. There are instances that we want to convert a sample measurement unit to desired metric, might be metric unit, SI unit, or English unit. Follows a step-by-step procedure. Number 1, identify the units used. Number 2, determine the relationship between the units. Number 3, determine the conversion factor. And lastly, multiply the original measurement by the conversion factor. To apply the step-by-step procedure, I have here an example. Right here, we have to convert 0.908 ounce to gram, kilogram, and pound. Always make sure that the denominator should have the same unit as the original measurement to cancel the unit of the sample measurement and get the unit that you desired. As you can see here, I have canceled the ounce like what the step I did. I hope that the two of us get the same answers. And now let us proceed for my second example, which is conversion of units in volume. Here 175 centimeter cube to liter, cubic meter to gallon. As you can see here, I always make sure that the unit and the sample measurement is being cancelled to get the desired unit that we need. Example is 175 cubic centimeter times 1 ml over equivalent to 1 centimeter cube times 1 liter over 1000 ml is equals to 0.175 liters. I hope we get the same answers from before. So now let's proceed to our next example, which is under density. Compared to the last two examples that I have provided, the next quantity that we will be dealing is density, which has two units in one sample measurement. We have here an example under density. We have to convert 394 gram per cubic centimeter to gram per milliliter, to kilogram per cubic meter, to pound per cubic inches. Always put in mind that if you want to cancel a unit, if it is in numerator, put the same unit on the denominator. If in vice versa, put the unit in the numerator to cancel the unit on the denominator. We have here 394 gram over centimeter cube, 2 gram per milliliter. 394 gram over cubic centimeter times 1 cubic centimeter over 1 milliliter is equals to 394 gram over milliliter. That's the same method with the other two. For our next example, which is under temperature, we have here a sample measurement of 527 degree Rankine that we have to convert into degree Celsius, Kelvin, and degree Fahrenheit. To compare the conversion units of temperature, this doesn't follow the step-by-step that I have mentioned earlier, but actually it has its own formula. Degree Rankine is an old measurement of temperature. Right now, here is the solution to get the degree Celsius for the Rankine. On the other hand, after getting the degree Celsius, we can now get the Kelvin of the 527 degree Rankine. To get the degree Fahrenheit of 527 degree Rankine, we only have to differentiate 527 minus 459.67 and it is equals to 67.33 degree Fahrenheit. Well, upon answering the temperature conversion, I know you will say that this is way easier than the first three, but let me tell you right now, the next one will be more difficult. I have here an example under concentration. 15 gram of an alloy containing 25 milligram of copper Calculate the concentration of copper using ppm and ppb units in this alloy. To answer the problem, of course, we will be needing a formula. And now, our formula is milligrams of solute over liter of solution. Now that we have the formula, let us now answer what is being asked. As you can see here, to get the ppm, 25 milligram over 15 gram times 10 raised to 6 is equals to 1.67 times 10 raised to 3 microgram over gram. So that 1000 milligram is equivalent to 1 gram. Now, when we apply the same method, get the parts per billion, we will get 1.67 times 10 raised to 6 nanogram per gram. I hope that you did get the same answers like I did, and if you did, job well done.